Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys how to make a little notebook journal out of a Kleenex box. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so what you need is a Kleenex box, and I'll show you guys. This is what it's going to look like. So we got some little pockets over here on the side that you can put your stuff in, and then a little side tuck that can hold some fun little things. This is just a decorative little paper to journal on, and then a thank you card, which I thought was really cute. Okay, and then you could just tuck everything in here. All right, so, and then it's just a wraparound that I did with some beads. I just got to tuck it around twice here, and then there you go. And this is perfect, like you could throw it in your purse and have to put money in and stuff, and just to have a little wallet or something thrown in there, or just a little journaling space stuff. And I did a collage on the back because you have to cover up the Kleenex part, this Kleenex part. So I figured to use up scraps and stuff, we go ahead and just do a collage, some washi tape and some dyed paper and stuff. So let's get started. I'll show you guys how I did it. Okay, so you just take a box. You just take a Kleenex box and you go ahead and cut off all the sides that are around it, and then you're got this just like that. And then you're gonna want to take it and just cut right along here, so we'll open it up just like this. Okay, so we get this far, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut this part off, and then save this part because this is nice to use for something else. You could put just a fun little picture in it and stuff, and make it like for a book plate. Like you could put it on the front of a journal and have a cute little picture on the side. And I already put like a piece of the plastic, which is, where did I put that? Who knows where I put stuff, huh? Oh, right here. But if you guys don't have like a piece of that plastic tape, I can't think of what the name is right now, but I use just a bag, like one of these plastic bags, and I have lots of these, so I figured why not recycle them and use it. And I just cut it to size and went ahead and glued it on the back of here, because this will be nice just to put something behind it. You could put like a pretty picture from a magazine or whatever, just a pretty picture, you know, say something like this, and you can have this behind it like that. And then all you got to do is cover it, just cover the back with some paper, and then you have, or don't cover the back at all, and then you have something you could put on the front of a journal like this. So I mean, there's so many uses you could do with the Kleenex box, but like this, I just want to show you guys. So like say just this part, and you can have this as the front of your journal, depending on how big, and you can cut it down to size and stuff. So that's why it's nice to keep these. So make sure to keep that. All right, so back to what we were doing. That was a little side note. Okay, so go ahead and take your cutter or whatever you're using, and we're just going to cut this part off. Okay. There we go. And I'll put this over to the side. And then this is what you have. Just like that. And that's the back of it. And this is the front. And then I don't know why I put that away, because we're going to need to cut just to make it, I'll show you. We're going to do the flap part. This part, the little tuck spot. So we're going to want to, because this is too wide to tuck anything in, so we're just going to go ahead and cut it just you know, an inch or so, just as much as you would like. Okay. So I'd say about a half an inch or an inch, as much as you'd want off. Like that. Okay. So then this part is going to go down like that. And then this will fold over. So that's the start of our journal here. Just like that. Okay. And then now I'm going to go to the sewing machine. And I'm going to fold this over like this. Just like that. And I'm going to sew. I'm going to do a zigzag all the way around, down, around, and just here. And then I'm not going to do anything on this side. I'll leave this side no sewing. So I'm going to go ahead and go do that right now. Sewing around. Now, on this one, I did a eyelet to wrap this around. And what I wanted to do in the first place was a brad with the punch outs on it to do a circle brad thing, and I'll show you. But I forgot to do it first and then I glued the pockets in. And I got those in first, and I should have done the brad first. So that's what we're gonna do now. But if you want to do it this way, you can go ahead and just do it after the pockets and stuff. So this is what I wanted to do originally. What I'm going to do is take a 1-inch, take a 1-inch punch, and this is just a tea box, and I like the little flowers on it. I thought that was cute. So I'm going to punch this out. Let's see. Okay. That'll be the outside of it, and then the inside, I'm just going to go ahead and just do the leftover here piece from this. And there we go. Okay. Now, do it like that. It'll look cute. I'm just using a brad here. And this is a crocodile, and it is a hole puncher and an eyelet setter, and you can get it on Amazon. They're great. And this has a 1/8 inch hole punch at the top and a 3/16 down here too. Okay, so we're going to do the 1/8 up top, just the 1/8 inch, just because I'm going to do a little hole so I can get the brad through it. So make sure we're lining it up here. Get it centered. There we go. It just makes it easier to get it through. Okay. And then I'm going to do it here, another 1/8 punch, just to line it up. Have it in the middle. Don't think about it too much here. There we go. Don't overthink it. Ah, that'll work. Then this can hide underneath the pocket, and then we won't see it. So if you want to do it that way, go ahead and do that before you glue the pockets on. But if you just want to go ahead and just do the eyelet, you could just glue everything and do all that, and then set your eyelet. Okay. So now we're going to take the pockets, and I'm just using pockets from a Kleenex box just to recycle them. And I think it looks nice. So we'll go ahead and just line up where we want them. And then on this one, we're going to go ahead and put the lace across it too. But I just showed a little bit. I didn't go all the way to the bottom with the pocket. Okay, so just line it up. Make sure you guys can see. Okay. And I'm gonna take my pencil. And you're gonna wanna go in a little bit, like a millimeter or so you can shut your journal. Because if you get it all the way to the edge, you won't be able to shut it. So just kind of line it up. And then go about a millimeter in from the edge there. There we go. And then go ahead and do that with the rest of the pockets. And then we'll go ahead and go from there. Okay, so we got these cut to size. And let's go ahead and glue them down. And you're just gonna need to do just the edges here and leave the top open for a pocket. And this is just a Fabrifix glue. It works great. I'll show you. This is Fabrifix, and it's fabric, lace, leather, trims, and more. And I just put it into a icing bottle that I got off Amazon. There we go. So we're just gonna glue them where we want them. And you can even set them up, line them up. Let's see, maybe like this. Do it like that. Just to see where you want them. I think that looks good. Okay. And just do the 3 sides. There we go. There. And then we hide the brad too. Let's turn it this way. That makes sense, right? Well, I don't want to turn it that way because stuff might get stuck in it. I think it'll work. Let's just do that. I think it'll be just fine. Okay. Okay. Because I think it'll be flat enough down that it should be okay. Same thing. Line them up. Okay, there we go. And then just like on this one, I want to go ahead and put the lace down at the bottom because it kind of helps hide that too. And I want to do yellow on this one. I think yellow would look nice. Okay. So we are just gonna measure it out. Get your fabric scissors. There we go. And then we need 3 of them. Okay. So that's the fun thing about these Kleenex boxes is they're versatile. You can do so many different projects with them. Like if you just look at them and just fold them around and check them out and see which way they fold and how they work. And I don't think I said this at the beginning, but I got this idea off of the treasure books. I got it from her. Yeah. And I thought it was such a cute idea. I would share it with you guys. She showed it all finished. She didn't show how she did it, so I was just showing you guys how I would do it. So hopefully you guys like it. And I think it's coming along pretty good. There we go. Natasha, that's what it is, Natasha. I was gonna say Nicole, but it's Natasha at Treasure Books. Yeah. So you guys haven't seen her, you should go check her out. She's got some really cute ideas. And she's really good at what she does. Okay. So we're doing one for here too. Go like this. And I'm going to do the ruffles towards the inside here. Just kind of hold it and press it until it sticks. There we go. Just make sure you're not gluing your opening shut. I think we've all done that one, huh? Okay. There we go. And then we can just trim that down. Just give it a little trim-a-roo. Okay. So we got that done, and it's not glued to the thing, so that's good. And go ahead and let's just do this part, and this part. Okay. Just put it wherever you think you want it. Just kind of gives it a cute little skirt, a little effect. So it's kind of fun. Okay. There we go. All right. So we got all those glued down. And these come together pretty fast too. That's the fun part. Get it pretty fast. All right, so we did that and that and that. And we got the brad on the front. Now all we need is just the closure. Oh, and then we need to hide the Kleenex and do a collage on the back. I forgot about that part. So for the Kleenex, I went ahead and just put a sticker. So whatever sticker or just any fun thing you can find just to hide that, because I don't think anybody wants Kleenex on their stuff. Let's see. I found some stickers here. I think this one would be cute. So just kind of line it up. Just to cover it. There we go. That's fun. I mean, it matches too. And will that fit? I think so. It says a joyful heart is good medicine. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and just stick that down. There. And then that hides it, and it gives it kind of just more, a little more character. Okay. And let's go ahead and add the closure, because we want to glue on the back last, probably. So what I'm going to use is just some rope. I had it in my drawer. I just found it. So I figured I should use it, and I think it matches nice. So I don't know where I got it or how long I've had it, but it's just one of those things, and it's going to be tangled, of course. think I'd be prepared? Nope. Okay. Wow. Oops. Let's try to get this untangled here. Okay. There we go. I found the end of it. And then we're going to go ahead and measure out. I was doing like 34 inches. So I just brought it to 34, maybe 36. Because you want it longer rather than shorter, of course. So I'll do something like that. And I'm just going to double this up. Like that. Bring it here. I'm going to go underneath here. Just lift it and go under it. Okay. And go ahead and tie it just to secure it. There we go. I'm going to do it twice. Just to make sure. Okay. And then that gives you a closure. And then you can add some beads at the bottom if you want, or see, that's what I wanted to do on this one. So just make sure if you want to do this kind of closure to go ahead and do it before you put the pockets in. So you could do that, and we can put some beads down at the bottom. Let's see what I got here. So let's check these beads out. Maybe those would work. Just something to dangle it from. I just want to make sure the rope is going to be thin enough to go through some of these. I just went on Amazon and ordered some more beads. I got some beads coming, and just some fun things that I'm going to do. And I'm really interested in wanting to start some dream catchers. So watch for those videos coming out, and I'll show you guys how I'm doing the dream catchers and putting those together, which I think is going to be very exciting. Let's see, what color? Jeez. So just whatever beads you got, or just however you want to do it. I mean, we could just do that. In just a second, I'll go see if I can find some more. Okay, so I went and got just a little bit bigger holes so I can get it through. There we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Go. Something's cooperating. Okay. And do the other one. So you don't need a bunch of beads or nothing. It's just for decorative. There we go. To show you guys a close-up here of what I was talking about is you do a little knot at the top and a knot at the bottom of each one. It's like that. And then when you're undoing it and stuff, it's not sliding all over the place, and you have them where you want them. So you can just do what you need to do. There we go. Okay. So there's that so far. And now we need to cover the back. So you can cover the back however you want. You can just take a piece of paper and put it on there, or you know, take some cardstock, or however you want to do it. But I have tons and tons of scraps that I need to use up. Yeah. So, and it's all avocado, some RIT dyed, some onion dyed, just different strips and stuff. So I need to use those to cover the back, and that's what I did on here, is I just took it and glued it all down, and then took some washi tape and just threw that on top too, just for fun. And I want to do this with you guys, and I will do it in a time lapse, and we will cover the back. Got it all collaged here, and I'm thinking I want to add a little bit of stamping. So let's do vintage photo and black soot. Get some of those out. And also I have some die cuts that I did on my Cricut, because I cut out some fun tags. I don't know if this one has it. No, I don't think that one has it. But I did some tags right here with some just maple leaves out of it and stuff. So I thought that was fun. And I mean, we can even ink a little bit here. So you can add just whatever you think you want on the back, or, you know, wherever you want it, and just do a little fun collage and use up some of your scraps. And I'm doing the Scotch Create glue stick. This works really good. Okay, and then we can stick that wherever. And then I got ones that I cut out just of the flyers that you get in the mail and stuff, like a cardstock. So I got some of those. So just pop down whatever you can think of here. There we go. And then let's go ahead and do some stamping. So what do I have? Let's see, I got some fun quotes here. I just got it on one of my wine corks, so I just went ahead and glued it on there, and it works great. And it says, "All life grows lovely where you are." So it's just a fun little saying. And we'll do this one. It says, "Love grows here." So it's kind of the same little concept. And there we go. And then you guys can just add whatever else you want, just some little leaves. Those are fun. Okay. And then I got these, just other little leaves. Just gives it a little bit of texture here and more for the eye to focus on. And there we go. And you guys got yourself a cute little Kleenex journal. So that's the end of this. I think that turned out pretty good. So whatever you guys want to do to the back, you don't have to do a collage. Like I said, you can just cover it with, you know, some scrapbook paper or something. But I like using up all the scraps I have. So we got that. And let's fill up our pockets here. Let's see. So this one I think is cute. It's just a little "Love binds everything together in perfect harmony." And it's just a little quote. So that can go in here. There we go. If it's perfect. And just a tag. That's the fun little tag in there. And we do just another pretty paper. I'll just take it and fold it like that. Okay, so then that stays in there. And we got just some little pockets we could put stuff in. Let's see. It's just my little bag with some goodies in it. You get some vellum right here, some stickers. Okay, some more stickers, some mushrooms. Those will fit in there nice. And then we got some pine cones and all kinds of little just fall stuff. We can stick that in there. Okay, and then just some cute mom with the little baby. Put that up there. And what else do we have? Do we have anything small? Just do a little decorative piece here. We'll do that one. And you can just fold this up, and it's just blank on the back. So just a little journaling space. So there we go. And then you guys can fill them up however you want, and we are set. Clean up my mess. There. Okay. So then there we go. We got all kinds of little cute things in our little pockets. And I got a little wraparound. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will have both of these in my Etsy shop for sale. So I'll have this one, and then I'll make a separate listing for each one of them. And then this one, it'll come with everything that's in it that you guys see. So it'll come with everything in it, and just fun little goodies and stuff. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, if you could, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting, guys. And have a great day.